Thank you very much, my dear students, for joining today class. Hopefully, seeing all of you are very happy. I am also very happy. As you know, dear students, today class is on English second paper. So, to teach you English second paper, I am going to introduce myself. I am Bimal Chandra Das. I am assistant teacher of Sunshine Model High School at Mirpur, around Hoybekganj district. Anyway, my dear students, I have appeared before you to teach you such a topic which is really so much significant to you. Dear students, before explaining topics, I want to explain some sentences. So, follow my lecture, dear students. If you fly in the sky like the birds, if you become a doctor, if you are going to be an engineer in future, these are the sentence, my dear students. These are incomplete sentence. So, my dear students, meanwhile you have guessed on which topic I am going to teach you. Obviously, the topic names conditional sentence. Conditional sentence, that is the part of our completing sentence. As you know, my dear students, complete sentence parts of three: first conditional, second conditional, the rest is third conditional. Also, there is another conditional named zero conditional. Today, my dear students, I will teach you on first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Now, my dear students, I want to inform you what's conditional sentence. The sentence which talks about condition, action, possibility of a person or a thing is called conditional sentence. Now, my dear students, let us see some examples of the sentence. First conditional. First conditional, my dear students, if plus subject plus verb 1, that means present form, plus extension, comma, subject plus will plus verb 1 plus extension. The students, you can see first conditional, this is the structure, if plus subject plus verb 1 plus extension. This is the first part of first conditional. The next part, subject plus will plus verb 1 plus extension. My dear students, you can change it will, shall, can, may, any of them you can write here. Understand? Okay. Now, sentence past conditional. If you eat fruits, you will get vitamin. Dear students, you can see very well the example of past conditional. If you eat fruits, you will get vitamin. You can write it, if you eat fruits, you can get vitamin or you may get vitamin, also correct sentence. Okay, my dear students, let us see now second conditional. first structure similarly like the first conditional. If plus subject plus verb to here stand for past form plus extension comma next part subject plus would plus verb 1 plus extension. Dear student, this is the structure of second conditional. If plus subject plus verb 2 plus extension, this is the first part, and next part subject plus would plus verb 1 plus extension. Now let us see, dear students, example. If you did my work, comma, I would be grateful to you. This is the example of second conditional, dear students. If you did my work, I would be grateful to you. Now, dear students, let us see the rest conditional, that means third conditional. Third conditional. Now, let us structure if plus subject plus head plus or 3, that means past participle plus extension. Next part subject plus would have plus verb 3 plus extension. The student, as you can see, third conditional structure if plus subject plus head plus verb 3 plus extension. This is the first part. Next part subject plus would have plus verb 3 plus extension. My dear student, you can follow the next part of third conditional. Subject plus would, here we can, instead of would, we can place here might or could. Understand? Now let us see example. If you had been a good listener, you would have been a good speaker. The students, you can see the example of third conditional. If you had been a good listener, you would have been a good speaker. Follow the next part of third conditional, my dear students. Here you can see would, instead of would you can place here might or could. Okay. Now, my dear students, meanwhile we have completed 3 conditionals. I think by following 3 conditional from the today class, you have got much benefited, and I guess my dear students, you have enjoyed the class with joy, much joy. So dear students, I will say this: if you practice lot at your home, I can long for you will do better in this topic undoubtedly. So my dear students, another thing I will say, the students, as you know, our whole country is now going on a pandemic situation named COVID-19. So we have to be much conscious and careful about the panic. How can recover from this panic very quickly? For this, you have to wash your hands before, after eating, and you have to take exercise sometimes, and when you need going out, you must put on mask, my dear students. Thank you all. See you next class.